Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to resolve issues with the HSBC Business Banking app. Before moving on to the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button too. Without wasting time, let's dive into the methods to solve this problem. Method 1. Force close and restart the HSBC Business Banking app. To do this, open your phone settings and navigate to the App Manager. Select the HSBC Business Banking app from the app list, then find the option to force stop in the bottom right corner of your phone. Click on it, confirm, and then reopen the app. Method 2. Disable and enable your internet connection. Access your device control panel, turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi, wait for approximately 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode on and off for a few seconds before reopening the app. Method 3. Update the HSBC Business Banking app. Open the Google Play Store app and search for the HSBC Business app. Select the app, and if an update is available, you will see an option to update next to the app's name. Tap it to proceed. Once updated, relaunch the app. Method 4. Clear HSBC Banking app caches. Open your phone settings, navigate to the App Manager, select the Business Banking app from the app list, find the option for Storage and Caches, and then tap on Clear Caches to remove unnecessary data. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall HSBC Business Banking app. Open your Google Play Store app, search for the HSBC Banking app, and then select the app and uninstall it. Once uninstalled, tap the Install button to reinstall the app. If none of the methods work, it could be due to issues or a busy server. In such cases, we recommend waiting for some time and trying again later. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video.